Hi guys, welcome to our very first walkthrough ever. I'll have one video a week where it's just a slideshow in the background with me in the corner, and I'll be talking about what we're doing that week a little bit more in detail. And so obviously this is Intro to Art with Mrs. Williams. Make sure that you have the right teacher, as Miss Mock is also an intro teacher for high school. And so when you get to my slide, first off, you'll see the week at the bottom to make sure you're at the right week. So this is week 0, the very first week of the school year. The next slide, we'll always have our rainbow wall. This is for student artwork that really stands out. Either you tried really hard on it, or it just looks amazing, or it's a new technique that we haven't tried before. And so always make sure to check this slide because your artwork may be up on here. This week this is a highlight of the week in a really short summary. This week we will not sketch 5 new prompts. We will not have an artist spotlight. We will pick up art supplies and study our online course syllabus. So usually we will sketch 5 new prompts. Usually we will have an artist spotlight. It's just the first week is a little bumpy. So over here in the corner, this is what class will usually look like. And you'll see the 5 sketches. We do 1 a day. It'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the words all here. The words that have to do with your sketches, sometimes they won't really click or they won't go together in your head, like catalog and glue stick. They usually have to tie in with our artist. But here is where you're going to find the week's sketches. This week, to take it easy, we will not be sketching those, so don't panic. Awesome. To the right, as we were talking before, this is our Freaky Friday artist spotlight that we usually do together on Friday. And their name will be under the blackboard here and their picture will be up here. And then there will be a slide that'll have directions on what you need to do to research your artist. And there will also be a short video by me explaining who your artist is and why we chose them that week. Mastering art skills. This is something you actually have to do this week. So this week we need to get our required materials. On your course syllabus, there was one for Warrior Night and the same one is available on Google Classroom now. There is a required materials list. Due to COVID, we cannot share any supplies and we want to equalize the learning gap between online learners and in-class learners, both of whom should be doing the same exact projects with the same exact supplies. We don't want to advantage for people who are in class and we don't want a disadvantage for people in class if there's better supplies at home. So anyway, we want you to get your required materials this week because it's going to be graded August 24th, which is next week. You need to go out and buy them your own. You can go to Walmart, Target, or Michael's with mom or dad. You can bring them from home. Maybe you have the same exact brand of Crayola markers at home. Just bring them in and that'll count as your required materials. Or C, you can buy a pre-made kit here at the school with stuff all ready to go. And that's just $20 you bring into the front office. Because you have to pay either for this kit or you have to buy your own materials, we are not charging you a class fee. This is a list and also the slideshow of what goes into your kit. So we have a drawing pencil kit, we have an eraser, pencil sharpener, 2 pencil pouches, blending stumps, Crayola colored pencils, Crayola markers, Ziploc bag, 2-gallon size, permanent marker sketchbook, 8.5 by 11, 50+ pages. And again, pre-made kits are available for your purchase for $20 at the front office. And you will be graded because you cannot make art without supplies. So we got to get supplies this week. That's your one piece of homework. Get mom and dad to get you supplies. Whether you have to dig through your junk drawer or whether you have to steal from your baby sister's art kit or whether you have to go out to Walmart at 2 a.m. and buy them, get your supplies. Okay. Also, this week, I guess you have two pieces of homework. So one is to get your supplies, and the other one is to go into Google Classroom and read the labeled document, High School Intro Syllabus. And then you're going to fill out a Google Classroom quiz with questions about what you read from the syllabus. This quiz is open book, as in you're allowed to be looking at the syllabus at the same time you're taking the quiz. I just want to make sure you actually read it. I don't want to make you memorize it. And they will also contain a contract for you and your parents about respecting supplies and reading the syllabus. All right, guys, that's it for this week. See you next week.